Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a peanut butter and jelly omelet. You heard me right, a peanut butter and jelly omelet. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down to that little corner there and hit that subscribe button, and then make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, as crazy as it sounds, we are going to make a peanut butter and jelly omelet. So let's head over here and check out our ingredients for this. We're going to start out with 3 whole eggs, 1 banana, about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and about 2 tablespoons of your favorite jelly. I am using strawberry jelly here. So let's get in the kitchen and do this up. Alright, I've got oil in the pan ready to go. I have not turned it on yet. What we're going to do first is we're going to get these eggs cracked and in the bowl. As you can see, I've already got my banana cut, ready to go. You don't want to have your egg cooking and ready to get plated up, and then you got to cut your banana up. So ready to go on the banana. Eggs are broken in the pan. I'm going to turn the heat up on our pan here, and when that oil gets hot, we will start adding our egg to it. Alright, here we go. Egg in. Alright, we can see around the edges that omelet is starting to cook, so I'm just going to push those cooked edges into the center of the omelet and allow the uncooked part of the egg to move to the outside. And just continue to do that until the whole underside of the egg is cooked, and then you can flip it over. Not much egg left to run off to underneath. Always make sure that it moves around in the pan before you click it or flip it. I'm going to back out just a bit so we can see the flip. Boom, there it is. I'm turning the heat off. Focus back in on the omelet. Now we're going to take our peanut butter and we're going to put that on 1/2 of it. We're not going to spread it all over because I got a trick I want to show you. And that heat from that omelet will help it melt a little bit, so don't worry about it too much, about it trying to spread. I knew this was going to be an issue. The recipe I looked at didn't tell you how to do that. So, and then your jelly goes right on there as well. I don't know if I want to use all these bananas or not. It'll be a pretty thick omelet if I do that. So I'm going to go half. I'm going to change that in the description box to half a banana. And then we're just going to plate this up. I did the wrong half. So I'm going to turn this around and you'll see why. There we go. Alright, let me back out a little bit here again. Remember, you got your ingredients on 1/2 because you want to take your omelet and you want it to just slide right off onto your plate like that. You didn't touch anything. Bottom of the pan's not dirty, didn't get on the plate. All your fillings are in the omelet and the underside. You're ready to go. You know what we're going to do now? We're going to take groovy pictures, we're going to put them in the timeline with some groovy music, then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Enjoy the music, enjoy the pictures. Bite of this omelet here. I got peanut butter, I got jelly and a banana in there, and the egg. So here we go. Wow. If you like PB&J sandwiches, you're going to love this. Very interesting omelet. I'm used to biting into an omelet and getting cheese and bacon and ham or onions or something in there with a little more savoriness, but this is good. I do like PB&J sandwiches as well. Very healthy. If you want to do a sugar-free jelly, go ahead and do a sugar-free jelly in there as well. Like I said, we only used half the banana because the whole banana would have been probably too much. The peanut butter did melt a little bit and kind of spread throughout the omelet, as well as taking the jelly with it. So it was in every bite, as I could see. Bananas are in there. Very good, very good. I'm just saying it's different, that's all. I'm not used to having PB&J in my omelets. But kids will definitely love it. If your kids like PB&Js or you want to do something different for them or fun for breakfast, they'll love it. Definitely love it. I like this. I'm going to finish eating this, but I want to do it off camera because, you know, it's kind of a food thing. I appreciate you watching today. Go ahead and like this video. Leave a comment down below there. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then share this video with everyone that you know. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.